On our most recent cruise, we sailed on the Celebrity Eclipse out of Cape Liberty in New Jersey. Here's a look at our Veranda stateroom on board the Celebrity Eclipse. We stayed in stateroom 7342, which is located on deck 7 in the aft. This is a room that sleeps 2. As you enter the room, you'll immediately come to the bathroom. The light for the bathroom is located outside of it, so you'll need to turn it on before entering. There's a large stand-up shower that comes stocked with shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. I really liked these products. I thought they were really nice, especially for ones that were already provided. And then right outside of it, you'll find the toilet, sink, and vanity. You can see from here there's a good amount of storage space as well. Lots of shelves and drawers. And the room also comes with a hairdryer. Right outside of the room, you'll find a couple little hooks on the wall before you enter the main living space. In the main living space, you have a couch and a coffee table. This was comfortable enough, though truthfully we didn't use it much. The room does come stocked with Evian water. This is not free, so if you don't want to be charged for it, don't drink it. There's also a minibar selection in the fridge below, and you can find the pricing for that on this little card. All of the outlets in the room are located right here. You can see there aren't very many. There are 2 regular outlets and 1 outlet for the hairdryer, so be sure to bring your own cruise-safe power strip if you need more than 2 outlets. The light switch for this mirror is also located down here as well. You're given an Effie necklace in the room that you can collect charms for throughout the cruise, which we didn't do, but you'll find those in your stateroom, and there's also an activity schedule to tell you everything happening around the ship. There's your TV, and a look at the beds. You have the option of having them separated into 2 twins or 1 queen, and they each have their own reading light. Let's head out to the balcony. This is a really good sized balcony. I was very impressed by how spacious it felt. This is just a view of the balcony when we were docked. I'll share some more views from the balcony a little bit later on. Let's go back into the room and take a look at the storage. There are 5 drawers here. They're slightly shallow for 2 people, but I do think they worked well. Here is the safe and the mini fridge below. Everything in here does cost extra, so just be aware. In the closet over here, we've got robes. Lots of hangers to hang things, a laundry bag, and they also give you an umbrella you can borrow if you need to use that during your cruise as well. On the other side, you've got more room for hanging things, more hangers. Here's another look at the room from this angle. Above the beds here, there's also some more storage. From the bed, you can see the ocean, which I loved. Here's a look at that. This is what it looked directly below us. And then here's what the view looks like when looking out into the ocean. We really enjoyed this room. We had no issue with location or noise. Thought it was a great room. I don't usually love rooms that are in the aft, but this one worked out really well. I'd highly recommend it if you are looking to sail on the Celebrity Eclipse. Hopefully this video has been helpful for you. We will see you in the next one.